everybody. Today I went to Asian market and I bought the kamote tops, also known as sweet potato greens. I will plant the stem, but before I plant, I have to harvest the leaves and stem because I have to eat them. And the stem, I stick on the ground and growing like a cutting. Because I see it to my aunt. If she's planting, when I was a kid, I am watching her. So until I grew up, when I was in the 4th grade, I try myself to plant this one. And after 3 months, I harvest. Wow, this one is very healthy, and then it's easy to grow. Look. So I will get this. I didn't separate good, but you know, it's easy. See now, when I took the leaves, gonna be empty, and this one it will grow. I don't need to cut because you know this one is sliding like this. Wow. So only this kind, but later on there is a lot spreading in the ground.
So where are you going to plant them?
Over there, the little mountain.
So this is a compost heap that won't be ready for another year, mainly soil and partially broken down wood chip. So we're going to let this continually break down. You can see there's some potatoes growing out of there. But why not utilize the mound?
So this one is a little bit leaning like this. It's easy. You have to stick on doing like this. You have to wait, it will grow.
So you'd like to put 2 plants in each hole?
This is the one I learned to my aunt.
In the Philippines?
Yeah. Because she loved planting the vegetable. This, just stick like that. Stick like this. Easy, easy. I want to plant here, hon, because it's so soft and after harvesting greens all season, we have to harvest sweet potato. Hey, it grows sweet potato already. Oh no, it's this one is a potato. Patatas.
You don't want to bury that in there too?
I will. Now, I already finished. I have to water. If this one will grow, it become forest. There is a potato, sweet potato. And if it gets tuber, honey, I will do sweet potato fries. So that's it, everybody. Just grow sweet potato, kamote tops. That is easy, grow, delicious, and nutritious. Yum, 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 yum.
And stay tuned for the growing update. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good one now.
I love this one, honey. It reminds me when I was in the second grade. After school, we have to watering our gardens in school.